There are some overarching regulations, both on a regional level and more on a global level, that also guide what is required and who can register domain names. So ccTLDs set their own space. In the gTLD space, the registries can also add additional requirements for registrations, but it's ICANN and that global corporation that really sets ground rules and sets major policies that define how domain registration is done. ICANN sets policies around the registration data itself. They also state that all WHOIS or registration data should be accurate and complete. If that information is not correct, your domain names may be subject to suspension, or they may be deleted if that data is not corrected. There are also local or more regional regulations that apply here. So while ICANN sets the global rules for gTLDs, we have additional regional regulations like the GDPR or NIS2 in Europe. GDPR and NIS2 really add additional, what I would call teeth to the compliance mechanisms, and they do impose fines on both registries and registrars if those specific domain registration rules are not being followed. They both require that domain registration data is current, contactable, and valid.